So, good morning. My name is Erika Fernandez, and I have the pleasure to be here presenting our company at the group meeting. So, I would like to first of all thank you all attendees for your kind invitation. My name is Erika Fernandez, and I'm coming here to represent our company, Agua de Gracia, which is we are a Spanish company, and we have developed a range of equipments that produce water from air humidity. So we are here to talk about water, and I'm saying nothing new if I put into words that our planet has 3/4 of water, yet millions of people don't have access to this element and vital item. But we are here to talk about the situation of Texas, because we are aware of the situation Texas has been living all this year because of water shortage, and also we are aware of the big effort that government, public and private companies and users have been making to overcome this issue. And more specifically, we are here to talk about your region. So, during our research of the situation of Region D, we came across some threats that, again, we are not saying nothing new, but that we thought it was necessary to include in our presentation, just to understand the problems the region will be facing in the following decades. So one of the first threats the region is going to face is, of course, the increase of population that will endanger the supply of water, as the current sources of groundwater and surface water are not believed to be enough to cover the demand. So we know in Region D it's projected to be a huge demand of manufacturing water, but we also know that the region has a huge need of municipal water. It means we're talking about potable water that will be used by consumers and users and families just for daily uses like drinking, cleaning, sanitation. Another threat that the region D will be facing in these decades is the water quality. So here we have some examples of situations that are endangering the water supplies, like wastewater disposal, and also the high density of agricultural activities. And of course, another threat is the diverse orography and climate of the region. So it means that a solution that is valid for an area will not necessarily be enough or efficient in another area. Another thing that we have to keep in mind are the natural resources. So we know that every recommended water management strategy will need to have little or no impact to the state's natural resources. So we saw the threats, but we are now going to quickly check the current solutions that are being used to overcome these matters. So we know that conservation and water treatment and reuse, as well as brush control and precipitation enhancements, are some of the solutions that are being carried. However, we shouldn't forget that these solutions are not completely efficient. So the consequences that these solutions are not completely efficient are that still water shortages are projected for several areas of the region. In fact, there are still 40 entities that will have projected shortages, and they will require the evaluation of alternative water strategies. Most of these water shortages will take place in rural areas. So we can see that unfortunately the usual solutions are not valid anymore. For 5 years, our company, Agua de Gracia, has been developing the technology that aims to be the alternative to water issues. We have created the equipments that produce water from air humidity. So, welcome to Agua de Gracia. So, Agua de Gracia is a Spanish company that as our engineer puts into words, we work to offer a unique solution to overcome the water issues by respecting the environment and offering a sustainable development. So how do our equipments work? They simply reproduce the natural cycle of water. Our equipment condense the water vapor in the atmosphere using a mechanical refrigeration cycle, and we obtain water from that. So what are the advantages of our equipment? First of all, they adapt to any type of source of energy. No matter it is solar, gas oil, wind. So in fact, we can say that our equipment can even be self-sufficient thanks to our optional solar panels. Another advantages of our equipment is that they produce completely potable water. Actually, the studies prove that our water is 99.9% water purity. Our equipments are also monitored via satellite and are suitable for any location. So it means that we can bring water there where it's needed. No matter the type of weather, the type of climate, the type of orography, our equipments are ready to supply water to any location where there is shortage or poor water quality. Hospitals, army, fields, villages. And of course, our equipments are completely respectful with the environment. First, because they simply reproduce the natural cycle of water, and second, because as we saw before, they can even be run by using natural energy. Our equipment is also tailor-made, so it means that they will adaptable to, as we said before, to any type of location or any type of need. So we are going to have housing units to supply water for families, emergency portable units, and also modular systems that will produce up to 250,000 liters a day. But the good thing is that as they are modular, they will allow us to put as many as necessary, so we can say that our equipment will supply unlimited daily water. So we see the fact that our equipments are adaptable will allow us to overcome orography issues. So in short, we can say that our equipments are definitely an innovative technology that is designed to supply water at the highest performance and at the lowest power use. So here we have a graphic that shows how the equipments actually work. And why are our equipments the convenient option for Region D? Because, as we said, thanks to their adaptability, our equipments can be aimed at any location with poor water. No matter if we are talking about a little supply for housing or a big supply for big facilities. Also, our equipments we believe are suitable for those called EIA projects that will require additional water sources. And also, our equipments are definitely perfect for those small projects that will require a small amount of water a year. This type of projects that might not be specifically included in the regional water plan, but that are facing shortages or will be facing shortages in the future. Also, we can supply individual entities. As we said, rural areas are the ones that are going to suffer from water shortages, and of course manufacturing. And what is the best advantage of the equipments? The fact that each project will require a unique engineering project. It means that each water user group, each entity is invited to contact us in order to get a personalized, specific quotation for your area and for your needs. So we can say this way we can ensure the maximum performance at the lower power use and the most important, cost-effective equipment. So again, I'm here to receive your inquiries, and please contact me for your personalized study. So thank you so much for attending, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye bye.